Suzuki is about bring a pickup truck with a jaw-dropping $8,000 price tag that finally gives working Americans what they've been desperately asking for. If you've thought you'd never afford a reliable work vehicle again, this K-truck is about to solve that problem. While American automakers keep pushing super expensive monsters loaded with features you'll never use, Suzuki focused on pure capability and affordability that actually fits your budget and gets real work done. A pickup Americans need. Average truck prices continue their relentless march upward, creating a massive gap between what people can afford and what's actually available on dealer lots. Contractors, landscapers, and small business owners are holding on to aging vehicles far longer than they'd prefer, simply because replacement costs have spiraled beyond reasonable limits. Enter the Suzuki Carry, a vehicle that's been proving itself in markets around the world since 1961, establishing a reputation for durability and capability that most American trucks can only dream about. The Carry's design philosophy centers on genuine utility without unnecessary bulk. While American manufacturers kept adding inches and pounds year after year, Suzuki refined a formula that prioritizes what actually matters for getting jobs done. The current 11th generation showcases a clean, purposeful design that immediately signals this truck means business. What makes the Carry particularly compelling is its cab-over configuration, where the driver sits directly above the front axle. This layout delivers unmatched forward visibility and maximizes cargo space within a compact footprint, solving problems that plague larger trucks trying to navigate tight urban streets or narrow farm paths. For decades, this design has helped Japanese farmers, delivery drivers, and contractors accomplish their tasks efficiently, and American workers are about to discover why millions of people worldwide swear by this platform. But that distinctive design approach means nothing if the dimensions don't actually work in real-world conditions, which is exactly where the Carry's engineering gets really interesting. Tiny but highly functional. Suzuki is bringing a slightly larger international variant to American shores. We're talking about a vehicle that measures just 165 inches in total length with a width of roughly 69 inches. These dimensions sound impossibly small by current American standards, but that's exactly the point. This truck can slip into loading zones where full-size pickups wouldn't dare attempt entry and maneuver through residential neighborhoods without the constant anxiety of clipping mailboxes or scraping curbs. Anyone who's ever tried squeezing a full-size truck into a crowded job site knows the frustration of simply being too big for the space. You end up blocking traffic, taking multiple attempts to park, or abandoning the spot entirely. That's where the Carry's compact footprint becomes a genuine business advantage. It fits where competitors can't, saving time and reducing stress throughout the workday. The cargo bed stretches 101 inches long and 65 inches wide, delivering genuine utility that puts many so-called work trucks to shame. That's enough room for full sheets of plywood laid flat, multiple landscaping equipment pieces, or a serious load of construction materials. Here's something every contractor or delivery driver understands. The worst part of any truck isn't the driving, it's the constant loading and unloading. The Carry solves this with a bed that sits just 30 inches off the ground, meaning no more struggling to lift heavy items chest high multiple times per day. Workers with back problems or anyone making dozens of stops daily will feel the difference immediately. Payload capacity hits roughly 2,000 pounds of actual carrying ability. For context, that matches or exceeds what many midsize American trucks can handle, packed into a footprint that's dramatically smaller. Towing capacity 1,500 pounds unbraked, providing enough muscle for utility trailers, small equipment haulers, or boat trailers. Ground clearance sits at 6.3 inches, and while that doesn't sound impressive, a short wheelbase of roughly 87 inches creates favorable geometry for tackling uneven terrain and dirt roads. The four-wheel drive system available in farming packages offers selectable high and low ranges, with the low setting providing serious torque multiplication for climbing steep grades or powering through muddy conditions. When you factor in the price and what you're getting in return, this truck starts looking less like a compromise and more like the smartest purchase decision available. All that capability is impressive, but it doesn't matter much if you're uncomfortable every time you climb behind the wheel. So let's talk about what Suzuki did with the cabin. Keeping things simple. Pop open the door and the Carry's cabin immediately communicates its priorities. What you'll find is a workspace designed around getting in, getting the job done, and getting out. The dashboard layout follows straightforward logic with controls positioned exactly where your hands expect to find them. Everything serves a purpose. Nothing exists for show. The seats utilize high durability vinyl upholstery engineered to withstand the wear of work clothes and constant entry and exit cycles. The shift lever relocates from the floor to the dashboard, freeing up legroom and making cross-cab movement impossible when tight parking situations demand the driver exit through the passenger side. Large glass surfaces deliver superior outward visibility, critical for safe operation in congested areas or when backing up to loading docks. Modern tech features make their way into higher trims, including touchscreen displays with Bluetooth connectivity. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility allow drivers to use navigation apps and hands-free communication, improving efficiency during delivery routes. This Spartan approach might seem basic compared to modern truck interiors overflowing with screens and switches, but there's something refreshing about a vehicle that doesn't pretend to be something it's not. The Carry focuses strictly on the job, which means fewer electronic systems to malfunction and lower repair costs when something does need attention. Of course, a simple interior only works if the powertrain delivers the reliability and efficiency to back it up, and that's where Suzuki made some really smart decisions. Small and super efficient. Here's a question that bothers anyone running a business with vehicles. Why should you burn through expensive fuel moving around thousands of pounds a truck when the actual work requires far less? While the Japanese market version follows strict K-car requirements, American version is about to get something bigger, but that engine will still remain small by American standards. It won't feature 8 or 6 cylinder, it will be small and super efficient, delivering just enough power to move this tiny truck with ease and ensure excellent fuel economy. The 5-speed manual remains standard, favored for its durability and the precise control it offers in agricultural or construction settings. For urban operators dealing with constant traffic, Suzuki offers automatic transmissions, including a 5-speed auto-gear shift system that automates clutch operation and gear selection, reducing driver fatigue without sacrificing mechanical simplicity. The 4-wheel drive system operates through a selectable transfer case. High range provides all-wheel traction for slippery pavement, while low range multiplies torque for serious off-road challenges. Leaf springs at the rear work with McPherson struts up front, creating a suspension setup that balances load-bearing capacity with acceptable ride quality. This proven mechanical design has logged millions of miles across rough terrain worldwide. Here's the reality. Small engines can be incredibly functional when packaged in vehicles that don't waste energy pushing unnecessary weight around. The Carry weighs roughly 1,630 pounds without payload, meaning the engine isn't struggling to move excess mass before it even starts doing useful work. This efficiency translates directly to lower fuel costs and longer intervals between maintenance procedures. For business owners calculating operating expenses, these advantages add up quickly. But impressive efficiency and capability only matter if people can actually afford to buy the truck, which brings us to the number that's going to shake up the entire market. Price that beats everything. Base models are going to start at just $8,000. $8,000 for a brand new pickup truck with modern safety features, genuine cargo capability, and 4-wheel drive availability. Nothing else on the American market comes remotely close to this value proposition. Better equipped trims with air conditioning, power options, and enhanced safety systems will push pricing higher, but still undercut every single competitor by massive margins. This pricing is achievable because Suzuki is establishing production in North America specifically to avoid import taxes and tariffs. The timeline calls for arrival in approximately 2 to 3 years, giving Suzuki time to finalize regulatory approvals and establish dealer networks. This waiting period might test patience, but it's necessary to ensure the Carry meets American safety standards. The infrastructure needs to be right: service capabilities, parts distribution, warranty support. For small business owners, the math becomes clear. Lower acquisition costs mean faster return on investment and reduced monthly expenses. Exceptional fuel economy cuts operating costs dramatically compared to thirsty full-size trucks. Simple mechanical design keeps maintenance affordable and minimizes downtime when service is needed. The Suzuki Carry represents something the American truck market desperately needs: a genuine return to basics that doesn't apologize for being affordable. With its compact dimensions perfect for tight job sites, a cargo bed that handles full-size materials, payload capacity matching mid-size competitors, and that unbeatable $8,000 starting price, this K-truck is proving you don't need to spend $50,000 to get real work done. Suzuki is establishing North American production to ensure availability in 2 to 3 years, and when it arrives, the entire landscape of what working people can actually afford is about to shift dramatically. Now, keep in mind that Suzuki won't be the only Japanese automaker to use the moment to spread the K-car culture across North America. If you think that a giant like Toyota would miss an opportunity like this, check out our next video. Daihatsu, which is one of several Japanese companies under Toyota, is about to bring another K-truck to North America with unbelievably low price and impressive functionality.